Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you manage the content restrictions in the Apple Music application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will see three dots. Press on it and here you should press on the first option here, which is settings. And also you can see here the first option being the content restrictions, and all you have to do is just press on it, and here you have to enter the restrictions passcode, and after doing so you can manage all the content restrictions. Here you can see it's enable content restrictions, music videos, movies, TV shows and profiles. If you deactivate it, all of them will be deactivated because the others, as you can see, are subcategories to it, and you can also individually activate or deactivate them here to your preference. So basically this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.